One fun thing I want to demonstrate is our citation linker. The citation linker is a fast way of finding out if the library has access to a specific article. The easiest way to do it is by copy pasting the information you know about the article, such as article title, journal title, etc. But you can also use the shortcut of just pasting in the DOI. A DOI is a unique number assigned to an article, like an ISBN for a book. Earlier today, I looked up an article about the Anthropocene in a journal called Philosophical Transactions, and here I am pasting it in. You can see that there are 4 options for where this journal article lives inside of mLibrary, but I'm just going to go to the first one. And here is our article from a database called JSTOR, which some of you might have heard of before. Of course, if you are off campus, you would have been prompted to authenticate with your university credentials, but we just went right through because I did that before. You can read the article here in the window, or you can download the PDF.